All right, so today we're going to be testing the AUZAI display monitor LED 21.5 inch and one HDMI input and VGA input. Let's go for it. How we doing, everyone? My name is David from MEDIABOXENT, and let's check this gray display 21.5 inches. So this one is a 1080, right? 1080p. Now the screen size we say 21.5. I just hooked up my Xbox Series X so you guys can see the graphics here. So here we have the menu, right? So M here, menu and execute. So you can change the brightness, contrast, and much more. Check that out, right? Control there. I'm gonna put it this way, you guys can see how thick it is, right? So it goes super light. I hold it this way because I think it's better to show you the display. Now in the back, so we have the mount, this amount, so we can put the arms if you want. We can see through here the inputs. I changed the camera later on so I can show you better there. And now we can see the resolution. I just put a game there, you guys can see. Now I have a lot of light, so it's a lot of reflection right now on the display, but there's no way that I can show you this. But you guys can see now comes with the power supply, 12 volt, 110, 240. The base is here. I didn't plug in because it's much easier for me to hold it this way, but this is base. Put it right over here, and that's it. Simple base. And by the way, the refresh rate is 75 hertz. So if your computer can push a 75, that's how much this monitor will take. Now, and the Xbox right now is in a 1080 at 60 frames per second. And let me show you other side. Show you this way. And here, HDMI, VGA, headphones, power. And if you're gonna use VESA installation, then you can take this and take this part out. Very simple. All right, so guys, again, 1080, 75 hertz, and LED screen. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, also minimize this. To minimize also on the LED blue light. Right? We know today the blue light is real bad for your eyes. So, and from this company, they say to minimize as much as possible the blue LED as well too. All right, guys. Like always, to get this display, check the link below. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.